So some basic instructions that you need to follow while doing the choreo. First thing, you have to be on your toes for each and every step. Second thing, you have to smile. And the third thing, in Bhangra, every step, most of the steps starts from the left foot. Also one more thing guys, in most of the steps just keep your back straight. This is my left side and this is my right side. Okay, so for the first step, so what we will do is just pick our left leg backwards like this and take a hop on the toes. Be on your toes. Okay, then swing your body this side, and for the second beat take your right leg backwards and take a hop on the left leg. So the step will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the hand movements, first you will clap on your right, swing your hands and throw something on the left. Okay, so it will be like 1, 2. 1, 2. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Fuck the crib, nigga. Hey, yo.
Just take your left leg, move it across your right leg and take the little hop on the right leg. It's 1, 2. On the second beat, your left leg will come back to the original position. Okay? And it's similar on the third beat. Just take your right leg, move it across the left leg and bring it back to the original position. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your hand should be like this. Only the index finger should be straight. Rest all the fingers should be folded. And your hand should be like this. You should make a U with your arms from your shoulders. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, your right hand will be upwards and your fist should be closed. Your fist should be closed initially and your right hand should be upwards. So as you tap your left feet first, just do like this. Open your hands gradually as your arms moves out. So it should be like this. 1, 2. On the first beat, your right hand will be upwards. On the second beat, your left hand. On the third beat, again your right hand. On the fourth beat, your left hand should be upwards. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just smile, guys. You have to face towards, your body should be facing towards your right. Your body should be facing your right and you will tap the left feet like this. 1, 2. Your left feet should be tapping in your front. Okay, your body should be facing on your right, 90 degrees. And the little hop will continue on the right leg while you are tapping the left leg. Okay, so it's like 1, 2. Your legs like this. Open your legs wide. And your feet, both your feet should be inwards like this. So it's like 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to keep your hands like this. Just overlap your thumbs and make a little bow type of thing. So for the first 2 beats, your arms will come from behind your right ear till your waist level. It will be 1, 2. I can show you from the side. Like now you are my right side, okay? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the third and the fourth beat, you have to clap like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fucking crib, nigga. Hey, yo. The kid. Oh, that's baby, they kick it, that's baby, tak tenu karta ya tod tod ni. Circumstance ਵੇਖੀ ਇਹੋ ਜੇ ਬਣਾ ਦੂੰ ਵੇਖੀ ਭੁੱਖੀ ਮੈਂ ਵਕਾ ਦੂੰ ਬੁੜੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੇਖੀ yo. The kid. Oh, that's baby, ਵੇਖੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ that's baby, tak tenu karta ya tod tod ni. Circumstance ਵੇਖੀ ਇਹੋ ਜੇ ਬਣਾ ਦੂੰ ਵੇਖੀ ਭੁੱਖੀ ਮੈਂ ਵਕਾ ਦੂੰ ਬੁੜੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੇਖੀ
So before the kulhadi, the leg movement, we have to just tap our left leg twice on the first two beats and then your right leg. It will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Your hands will be, first your right hand should be upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole step will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the footing of the Chumar. So you have to start from your left leg and you will be facing 45 degrees towards your left. You will be facing 45 degrees towards your left and you will tap your left feet first. So it will be 1. And on the second beat, tap your right feet and you will be facing the front. So start from your left feet, take the little hop on the right feet and on the second beat, tap your right feet while your body is facing the front. Okay, so let's do the first two beats. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. On the second beat, you are facing the front, and third beat, take right little bit backwards, your right feet, and tap your left feet in front. So it will look like 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, shall we move on to the hands? Okay, so your hands should be like this in L shape. Your fingers should be joined and your thumb should be pointing outwards, and your arms should be like this, like we did in Punjab. You have to make a little U around your shoulders. So your hands should be like this. On the first beat, 1. On second beat, 2. And on the third beat, you will change your hands. For the first two beats, your hands will be like this only. Okay, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. On the third beat, you have to do like this. The thumb of your left arm should point towards the center of your chest, and your right arm should be straight backwards, like this. You should be pointing your thumbs and it should be like this. And you should try looking towards your right arm backwards. So it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the fourth beat, just bring your right hand and clap in front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Catch you coming out your fucking crib, nigga. Hey, yo. The kid. Oh, that's baby, ਵੇਖੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ that's baby, tak tenu karta ya tod tod ni. Circumstance ਵੇਖੀ ਇਹੋ ਜੇ ਬਣਾ ਦੂੰ ਵੇਖੀ ਭੁੱਖੀ ਮੈਂ ਵਕਾ ਦੂੰ ਬੁੜੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੇਖੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਦੀ ਬਾਈਕ ਬੱਲੀ
For the footing, we have to tap 4 times. First the left leg, then the right leg. So the footing will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the first beat, you will clap your hands in front of you downwards. Just look at your hands. On the second beat, your hands should be like this on your sides. 1, 2. On the third beat, you have to clap on your right. Just take your left hand over your head and clap on your right. And on the fourth beat, clap on your left. So while you are clapping on the right and left, just make sure the hand that is on the top should go like this from above your head. Okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's clear, right? So let's do it again. 1, 2. On the third beat, you will clap in your front. 3. And tap your left leg. 3. It will be like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first step is clap and throw 2 times. Then Punjab for 4 beats. Then simple tapping 4 beats. Then Kulhadi, jump, jump. We have to do Chumar twice. 3. And then full cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Catch you coming out your fucking crib, nigga. Hey yo, the kid. Oh, that's baby, ਵੇਖੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਨੱਚਦੇ ਨੀ ਤੱਕ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਕੌਣ ਨੀ ਸਰਕਮਸਟੈਂਸ ਵੇਖੀ ਇਹੋ ਜੇ ਬਣਾ ਦੂੰ ਵੇਖੀ ਕੁੱਕੀ ਮੈਂ ਵਟਾ ਦੂੰ ਬੁੜੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੇਖੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੇਰਾ ਦੀ ਬਾਈਕ ਬੱਲੀ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੱਥ ਬੱਲੀ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਬੈਠੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਯਾਰ ਜੱਟ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਬੱਚੇ ਜੱਟ ਨੀ ਓ.
For the buttocks, keep your back straight and sit on your toes, and your knees should be outwards like this, and you have to hop like this. So in this choreo we have 3 buttocks. It will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. On the third beat you have to get up, and fourth beat you have to just pop your right leg out and end the choreo like this. So the buttocks are like 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Catch you coming out your fucking crib, nigga. Hey yo.
Just revise, guys.
Oh, that's baby, ਵੇਖੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਨੱਚਦੇ ਨੀ ਤੱਕ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਕੌਣ ਨੀ ਸਰਕਮਸਟੈਂਸ ਵੇਖੀ ਇਹੋ ਜੇ ਬਣਾ ਦੂੰ ਵੇਖੀ ਕੁੱਕੀ ਮੈਂ ਵਟਾ ਦੂੰ ਬੁੜੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੇਖੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੇਰਾ ਦੀ ਬਾਈਕ ਬੱਲੀ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੱਥ ਬੱਲੀ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਬੈਠੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਯਾਰ ਜੱਟ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਬੱਚੇ ਜੱਟ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਹਾਏ the kid. Oh, that's baby, ਵੇਖੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਨੱਚਦੇ ਨੀ ਤੱਕ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਕੌਣ ਨੀ ਸਰਕਮਸਟੈਂਸ ਵੇਖੀ ਇਹੋ ਜੇ ਬਣਾ ਦੂੰ ਵੇਖੀ ਕੁੱਕੀ ਮੈਂ ਵਟਾ ਦੂੰ ਬੁੜੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੇਖੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੇਰਾ ਦੀ ਬਾਈਕ ਬੱਲੀ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੱਥ ਬੱਲੀ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਬੈਠੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਯਾਰ ਜੱਟ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਬੱਚੇ ਜੱਟ ਨੀ ਓ ਸਕੂਲ ਹਾਏ ਗੋਲੀ ਗਰਦਨ ਤੇਰੀ ਆ.
So that's it with the choreo. Now the bonus point. So the bonus point is nothing but while you are doing a long choreo or you are in a performance for around 7 to 8 minutes, we just do a badak. Badak is basically nothing but burra. We just scream out burra and we get instant energy. Like if I am screaming out burra, I am ready to do the choreo again. So try using a badak if you are feeling low in. Okay, shall we do it once more? So let's do it once more, and don't forget the badak.
Oh, y'all niggas
Come on.
killers, man. Catch you coming out your fucking crib, nigga. Hey yo.